Hey everyone, welcome to my product review on the Athlegen ProLift Access Gold Raising Midsection. This table is incredible and I'm going to go through some of the really key amazing features of this table. For the first part, I'm going to start with the upper part of this table, which is just incredible what it has on value here. To start with, we've got the head cradle and the prone armrest, which is completely adjustable, which is just, I can't even begin to tell you how good it is for when working on necks. Lift up the lever underneath here, and then you can drop the head cradle and the prone armrest down together, okay? It also comes all the way up, okay? And I'm not sure, stab in the dark here, I think it's about 40 degrees plus and minus, which is pretty incredible. Second is that you've got the removable body filler pads, or the shoulder pads if you like, which is just incredible for working on the back of the shoulder and even the triceps as well. But once again, if you don't want them, and you can completely remove them if you like, and they come all the way out like so. Okay, once again, the cushioning is the same as the rest of the table, and then basically you just slide them back in like so. Okay, what is also removable is the prone armrest as well, which is just incredible. So you've got two buttons on the side here, basically push those down, and then you can just literally slide the prone armrest off, which is awesome for cleaning and the like. So if you don't want that prone armrest, you can remove it. Same again, push down the button and then slide it back in. What we also have in this upper half is by far one of the best things on this table, and that is literally the raising midsection, which what you'll find is the table literally bends in the middle here. Well, not entirely in the middle, but in the upper half. Now, what is exceptional from an Athlegen point of view, which separates it against some of its competitors and brands, is that the body filler pads and the head cushion, or the face cradle, and the prone armrest adjust as you raise the midsection. Now, if you weren't able to do that, if Athlegen wasn't able to do that, you'd really have an inability to effectively use this raising midsection. So it is incredible, and this is just heaven for working on your disc patients and your lower back clients. And you'll notice how fast the motor is in regards to moving both the raising midsection and also the height adjustment, which we'll talk about a little bit later on. That's not it, there's more. What we'll also have here is that we've gone for the adjustable backrest, which comes up as well. Once again, awesome for manual lymph drainage treatments. And you can see, it also gives you great access to under the table here if you want to clean. What you'll also have here is you've got a flap that pulls down here, and that basically also, drop that down, and you'll find that that attaches to the face cradle itself. It comes up, and that protects, again, the undercarriage. And then you put the face pad back on. Once again, totally removable. Fantastic features. So one of the most important things for me when I was choosing this, the ProLift Access Gold, was that I needed two things particular that I didn't have on my old table. And one was the fact that I wanted straight sides. I also wanted it 730. Normally they're 680 mil wide, and I wanted that for a couple of reasons. One is that it's so much easier for your clients to turn over when it's a wider table. Two, it's bigger for my bigger clients, my bigger athletes as well. And three, fantastic for doing arm work when your clients are actually supine, because I used to hate having the arms hanging off everywhere. So, you know, in terms of doing forearm work, it is absolutely sensational having it 730 and also having straight sides. Also, what was just magnificent that I didn't have on my other table was the fabric. So the upholstery itself is the PU vinyl, and I've gone for the 70mm Enduro foam. There is an 80 and there is 50. So the 50 is a little bit firmer, and obviously the 80 is a little more luxurious as well, but I've gone for the Enduro, which is 70, and it is heaven. The PU vinyl itself is like lambskin. It is just so soft. It is just wonderful. So the key features for me when I was picking out were raising midsection, the head cradle that was also adjustable, the adjustable backrest, the adjustable leg section, the extendable footrest, the width, which is 730, and the straight sides, and most definitely the body filler pads. And that's what makes this treatment table unique. Looking at something that not a lot of people or therapists look at in terms of a table, and that's the underneath of the table. So there's a couple of really important key features here as well, which are absolutely unique to Athlegen. The first thing is we've got two motors here. One is for the raising midsection and the other one is for the height adjustable itself. And it is by far the best motor on the market as far as I'm concerned. The speed of these motors and the reliability of them are second to none. And to give you an idea of how fast up and down they go, that's pretty fast, okay? And you're doing that all day, every day. That saves a lot of time. There's a lot of other table manufacturers out there, and I can guarantee you that their motors would be almost twice as slow as that. So unique for that. The structural steel fabrication speaks for itself. I mean, this is all manufactured obviously in Ballarat at the warehouse, and it is incredible. A couple other key features that I also included. 2 foot switches. I have one either side. You might call me lazy, but I can guarantee you they save you an enormous amount of time. So I have one on the left and one on the right, and then you have the foot switch for the raising midsection as well. And you can see how fast that is once again. So pretty terrific. And then, which for me is also just incredible, because maneuverability of this table, especially when you're cleaning your room and vacuum and so forth, is all about being able to move the table. We've got the 75mm lockable casters here, and it is just so easy to move this table. I've unlocked all these casters, and to give you some idea of how easy it is to move, that's it. It takes one person to move this table around. So once again, it speaks for itself. So the quality of the motors, the speed of the motors, the reliability, the steel fabrication, second to none, and even the stainless steel work, the foot switches, and obviously the casters. So make sure that you do look underneath your tables, because it is basically the guts of the table. So once again, Athlegen, knock it out of the park. So if you even remotely enjoyed some of that content, please do me a favour and hit the like button below, just so that I know that you did enjoy it. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any of the content that we put up on a regular basis, then the best way to do that is obviously just to hit the subscribe button. So it's a bit of a no-brainer. But most importantly, if you really want to see the true show, the real show, take the opportunity, hit the link below, stuarthinds.com. That's where we have all the comprehensive assessment treatment of a whole range of conditions. That's where we have our online courses and obviously our mentoring and so forth, the webinars and our podcasts. So if you're even remotely interested in what we do, go and check it out. Appreciate it. But also, most importantly, again, just be awesome at what you do.